Hi, folks. I'm Jeff Berger, and this is Jeff Berger Designs. Today, we're going to take a look at a package of samples that we ordered from Printful, which is our garment print provider, to see if their quality, their print quality, not only matches the original digital file that I sent them, but industry standards and what we've experienced with other local printers that we've used in the past. So the packaging comes with your logo on the label. I thought that was quite nice. Nice touch. Now, I don't know what kind of magical mithril elven armor this plastic bag was made from, but I was looking for a hand grenade and a crowbar to get it open. Not really a complaint, mind you, because they are protecting whatever is being delivered and sending out. So, I'm appreciative of that. The real surprise was that each piece was individually wrapped and packaged for another layer of protection. So I was really impressed. Now, this first one I'm opening here is a color called Natural. I think I originally intended to order Sand. By accident, I ordered the Natural. It's a little bit lighter than the Sand. It's kind of like an off-white, like an eggshell. But I was very happy with the color. Now, the printing quality, this is a black on this light color background. It came out crisp and sharp. I was really impressed with the clarity and the precise printing. My biggest concern in the colors was I have a blue stripe on the back that I left in RGB as opposed to CMYK, and I was concerned that maybe it would not reproduce as the RGB color, but I was very happy to see that it reproduced as intended in the RGB hue that I had chosen. Now, this one here is a color they call dusk blue. It's a little bit lighter than a navy blue, not quite as dark. I really like the color. The color contrasts really well with the white, and again, perfect, very precise printing. You can see there how nice and sharp it is. I'm very impressed. And my biggest concern on this one was the contrast between this mid-range semi-dark blue shirt and the blue stripe, but I was not disappointed. It came out just perfectly. And there you can see the sharpness and the precision of the printing. I'd say it's equal to the digital file that I sent them, which was well over 300 dpi. Of course, it was a 1-to-1 size, so I didn't expect any pixelation, but there was no bleed, no fuzzy edges. It was very, very crisp. This one here is the navy blue. The navy blue is so dark it's almost black, which is how true navy blue should be. So I was very, very happy with the initial color. Again, very consistent in the printing, very, very high quality, identical from shirt to shirt, which is what you would hope for, but never sure that it's going to be that way until you get the samples. There you can see how nice the design came out. Even the fine detail inside the center of the star was perfect. I couldn't have asked for a better print. I got to say, their close register work where the colors and edges meet was spot on. It doesn't get any better than that. I've worked with a lot of printers, and that's about as good as it gets. Well, I'm totally satisfied. The product, the printing, the delivery, all top notch. Now, I've kept the navy blue sample for myself. The dusk blue and the natural are on their way to the Chicago Police Canine Unit for the guys to take a look at. Thanks for checking out my video. I hope I've answered some of your questions about Printful. If you'd like to see more videos on my design work, don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. You can see my other products in my Etsy store. I add something new each week. Just go to Etsy and type in Jeff Berger Designs, all in one word. I'm Jeff Berger, and this is Jeff Berger Designs.